WCTV Pinpoint Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody. Time to get started with this 24-hour temperature cast that wants to start our numbers a little higher, up over 70 in spots, and get us more into the 80s, and then do it all over again tomorrow as the warmer, more humid air settles in. I see some showers up against some of the Franklin County coast and the Barrier Islands into parts of Wakulla County up to Highway 98 now. So we've got some showers, and these are trying to lift a little bit more from south and west to north and east. So maybe we can find a few more showers to get across Highway 98 and make it to the Leon County line. I've seen a few showers in parts of Jefferson County too. We can get a couple of more as we go through the morning. This tropical moisture streaming north of what's left of what was Tropical Storm Gamma is just some disorganized moisture. We're not going to get any kind of big time weather with it, but this is going to contribute to that humidity that we're going to feel, the gray, gloomy looking skies that we see, and that different way the temperatures go compared to how nice it was last week. 70 this morning in Tallahassee, not back near 50 where it was cool and comfortable. Now it's a little bit warmer and more muggy out there this morning. Now there is a bit of a breeze trying to limit some of that fog. And in Thomasville, it's a little cooler at 66, same kind of breeze. Valdosta, we're at 67 degrees. Most numbers around the region pretty close to 70. Blakely, one of the coolest spots, so is Homerville at 64. I do see a 72 at Cross City. Pretty much everybody else between 66 and 71. Here are the visibility numbers, all up near 10 miles thanks to that breeze. That breeze will be something that is noticeable throughout the day today, as will be those clouds coming in from the south and west. And that will likely make up our forecast for our Tuesday and for our Wednesday and maybe for our Thursday too. Then we start to shift our focus farther south and likely well off to the west where this one is going. This one is Hurricane Delta. Winds at 100 miles per hour sustained, so a Category 2 storm, quite a bit stronger from where it was last night. The air pressure's dropped down to 968 millibars. This is a strengthening storm moving to the west-northwest at 15 fairly quickly, and it should continue moving west and fairly quickly. Now that cone gets real big once we get out to 4 and 5 days, so we'll certainly keep our eyes on it. But if everything continues on this trend, and really there's no indication that it won't, then this is going to become another Western Gulf issue, not an Eastern Gulf issue. And while it will be close enough where we're going to keep our eyes on it real clear, I don't think we're going to expect any kind of direct impacts from this system. We will certainly watch, track, and update you. Winds on the Gulf today out of the northeast and east 5 to 15, seas 1 to 3 feet. Not bad for the boaters. The high tides finished early, low tides get started after 11. 60s and 70s. I'm going to leave the rain chances around 40%. Of course, they're higher in Franklin County where the rain's already coming down, but other spots likely won't even see a drop, especially farther north and west. We'll shoot for 80 this afternoon. I think there'll be some numbers that get into the low 80s today. It's going to be a little warmer and more sticky. A few scattered showers will do a good part to knock some of those temperatures down, but I think today is more about clouds than showers. It's low 70s again tonight, so we're going to keep it on the muggy side. And really, these next 2 or 3 days, not much is going to change. As we get to Friday, Saturday, I still don't think very much is going to change around here because Delta is going to be well west of here. Something would have to drastically change with that track for us to have to adjust our forecast. And then hopefully next week, maybe we can start to dry things out again.